Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. In my last lecture on mathematical reasoning, we have ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲେ statementର definition ଦେଇଥିଲେ. What is a statement? A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both. Yes. So when we have also discussed an example, right? So it is better to know when a sentence is not eligible to be a statement. Number one, if it is exclamatory. What is exclamatory sentences? What are the sentences? What a beautiful weather. What a beautiful flower. Like this. हठात गोटे आश्चर्य प्रकट करिबा exclamation से sentence गुड़ाक statement पाई not eligible. Right? Then imperative sentence Kogudago. So order, go to the door, come in. These are orders. Request, may take your pen. May I take your pen? It is a request. These are also not statements, right? Similarly, optative, wish. Optative, wish, may God bless you, or possibility, there may be life in Mars. These are all not statements. These type of sentences are not statements. Egudaka statement nuhanti. Interrogative, question mark. Jette gudai sentence also kouche question. What is your name? Who are you? Are you a doctor? Question mark kouchame. Is it a mathematics book? These are all questions. These are also not eligible to be sentence, right? Then which involves variable time. Variable time. The sentences involves variable time. That means today, yesterday. Today is a holiday. Yesterday was a rainy day. These are all sentences using variable types, right? एगुड़ाक आमे statement कहिबा नहीं. Then yes, another variable places also. Variable times, variable places, like here, there, etc. Here, there, variable places, right? Exactly. If we say Bhubaneswar, Delhi, is a particular place, but there can be used for any place. Here can be used for any place. Isu जेकोसी स्थान पर आम व्यवहार कर. These are called variable places. ये variable places जोटी थी वो sentence रे सेगुड़ा को भी statement ही परिवे नहीं. Similarly, the pronouns. She is a athlete. She means who. Also, we cannot say whether they are true or false. He is a brave person, right? He means who? Like, so these are not statements. And which involves adjectives like good, bad, beautiful, wise, intelligent, etc. एगुड़ाक भी हेनी. Rabindranath Tagore was a good poet. it is not a statement. It is statement ही परिबो नहीं because good poet काहाको हमें good poet कहबा poet माने कवि भलो कवि काहा कहबा there is no proper definition, it is undefined term, right? Or there is no adjective. Ram is a good student. From which point of view he is good? But if we can define this goodness, that is, student will be a good student if he has scored 60% above marks in mathematics. Then he is a good student. Then only it will be a statement. But unless it is not defined, goodness, intelligent, এই শব্দ গুড়াক যেতবে ঠিক ভাবে ডিফাইন হই নাহান্তি সেগুড়া যোউঠি ইউজ হইতিবে সেগুড়াকু আমি স্টেটমেন্ট কহিবা নাই. Yes, these are all. So these are the cases where we say that the sentences are not eligible to be statement. So what is a statement? A statement is a declarative sentence. It is a declarative sentence which is either true or false. जाओ declarative sentence टाकू हमें true किंबा false कहूथबा. अनेक declarative sentence हमें पाइबा जोड़ा को हमें true किंबा false कहि परिबानी like ए टाइप रो. Let us see. Suppose we say that there is a pond or there is a tree. There is a tree. Or temple like this. It is a declarative sentence, no doubt, but you see the word there is used. It is not specific. The place is not specific. It is a variable place. There is a river. There is a right. These are not specified. So it is not a statement. Not a statement. Right? X plus 3 is equal to 5. It is a clearly it is a declarative sentence. X plus 3 is equal to 5. It is a declarative sentence. But you see, it is not a statement. Not a statement. Why? Why? Because as we cannot give any truth value. Any truth value. Right? We cannot give any truth value to this, whether it is true or false. True or false. We cannot say. X plus 3 is equal to 5. What is the value of x? We cannot say. It is not, we cannot say any, it define करायनी. What is the value of x? So how can we test that if we add 3 with x, it will give you 5? But you see, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is true. It is true. So a statement. Yes, statement. Right? And 4 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is a false statement, but it is a statement. It is false. You see, a statement not necessarily true. It may be true or it may be false. False ହେଇ ପାରେ, true ହେଇ ପାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର ଗୋଟେ truth value ରହିବ. What is truth value? Yes, when a statement is true, we say that its truth value is T. When a statement is false, we say that its truth value is F, right? If a statement is true, its truth value is T, and when a statement is false, its truth value is F, right? So these are the sentences, and this is the way we can suppose X is less than 5. Not a statement. Not a statement. But 7 is less than 5. It is a statement. It is a statement. Right? These are all statements. Right? देख एबे आमे देखिबा गोटे स्टेटमेंट को आमे केमती रिप्रेजेंट करू बिकॉज वी आर रीडिंग सिंबॉलिक लॉजिक everything should be represented by symbols, so we represent a statement by the English small letters. We represent a statement by English small letter. Right. Suppose we can take example. Let P denotes Jagannath temple. Is at Puri. Jagannath temple is at Puri. It is the statement which will be represented in future if we will write like this. Let P denotes, this denote, mean represent करे जगन्नाथ टेम्पल इज एट पुरी या परवर्ती समय जो जगह में P लिखिबा से रिप्रेजेंट करिवो एई स्टेटमेंट राइट कहीं कि मैथमेटिक्स रे सब जगह रे एते बड़ सेंटेंस लिखिबा हम पई सहज नुहे सुविधाजनक नुहे राइट सेमती क्यू सेमती गोटे स्टेटमेंट हो पारे 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. It is a statement, right? So here P is true, truth value of a tree. Q is false, truth value will be F, right? So its truth value is true, its truth value is false, right? Similarly, let us see. We will define another term which is called negation of a statement. समस्ते भला भाବରେ बुझी पारिथिबो निश्चित भाବରେ what is a statement. Now negation of a statement, right? Negation. Negation of a statement. Of a statement is the denial of the statement. What is denial? Negation of a statement is the denial of the statement. What is that? Suppose that means we are not accepting the statement. We say that it is a false statement, right? Suppose 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, right? 2 is a prime number. It is the statement. What is its Daniel of this statement? 2 is not, it is not acceptable that 2 is a prime number. But suppose ame kahiba it is not true, it is not true that P is a true that 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. That means that is or 2 is not a prime number. 2 is not a prime number. अरे आमे कहिबा मु वर्तमान कटक रे अछि. जणे तुमर आ जणे सांग किके कहला ना सी मिछ कथा कहूँ सी कटक रे नहीं नेगेशन. मु कहूँ मु कटक रे अछि ता माने मु कटक रे रहिबाटा मिछ बोली प्रकाशित होछि. Right? So it is not true that 2 is a prime number like this. So if a statement is represented by P, its negation is represented by if a statement is represented by P, then its negation is represented by Daniel P and read as Daniel P. ताको हम पढ़िबा Daniel P. If P is a statement, its negation will be Daniel P. Let us take some examples. Let us take some examples of negation. Right? Yes. I will clear up all this. So simply, if you will use not, if you will use, right, you can write the negation of a statement, right? Negation. If a statement P is modified by the word not, then not, then it is called it is called negation of P and represented by the symbol Daniel P. Right? Daniel P. Right? ମୁଁ କାଲି କହିଥିଲି କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ତମେ ମନକୁ ମନ ଲେଖିବ इंग्लिश रे लिखि पार बा ओडिया रे भी लिखि पार इंग्लिश रे लेख अभ्यास हबो हाँ से शब्द गुड़ा से सेंटेंस गुड़ाक स्टेट बहिर देखा दरकार नहीं निजे सेंटेंस मेकिंग सीख निजे छोटिया छोटिया सेंटेंस लेख आउ प्रत्येक सेंटेंस को स्टडी कर स्टेटमेंट ना स्टेटमेंट नुहे सपोज एटलिस्ट 10टा करती जदि स्टेटमेंट नुहे ताहले काहे नुहे रीजन दियो आ जदि स्टेटमेंट ताहले ट्रू ना फॉल्स असाइन कर ट्रूथ वैल्यू राइट yes P represented by the symbol negation of P. Let us take some examples. Suppose I will take that P represents example. Yes, 2 is a prime number, right? I have already told you. Prime number. Negation of P. कौन लिखिए 2 is not a prime number. 2 is not a prime number, right? Or कौन है it is not true that 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Right? This similarly हम वर्तमान लिखिबा आउ केते गुडा एग्जांपल each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Let P, suppose R, you can take any symbol, R represents each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. गोटे कौनटा रेक्टांगल आयत चित्र प्रत्येक कोण 90 डिग्री राइट एंगल कोण 90 डिग्री समकोण जोड़ा कौच ओडिया तुम्हें राइट एंगल अच्छा इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट्स negation ऑफ r व्हाट विल दिस टिके डिफिकल्ट लागबो एटी इफ गोटे ओडिया रे हमें सिखबा आगे गोटे रेक्टांगल रो प्रत्येक कोण समकोण कौन हो तार नेगेशन डेनियल ताको हमें एक्सेप्ट करनु जो कहैछि ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री ईच एंगल इज ए राइट एंगल ताको हमें समर्थन करूना तल कोन करबा लिखिबा इट इज नॉट ट्रू दैट it is not the case that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. It is not true. It is not the case. Or in other words, we may say that or negation of R can be written as what? There exists at least one angle of a rectangle which is not a right angle. Very simple. गोटे आयत चित्र समस्त कोण समकोण तार नेगेशन कौन हम ना there exists at least one rectangle where at least one rectangle where at least one of its angles is not a right angle. अति कम रे से कौन कौची गोटे रेक्टांगल रो समस्त कोण समकोण ताले दीटा कथा मुंड को आछी जे एमिति गोटाए रेक्टांगल थिबो एटलिस्ट गोटे सब भी गोटे रेक्टांगल आमे पाइबा जहार अति कम रे गोटे कोण समकोण नुहे समस्त कोण समकोण तार नेगेशन ताकू जे मानिबनी से कौन कहबो अरे आमे क्लेम करछु सार पाखरे मु सबदिन स्कूल आसुची सर तो कह तू मिछ कहू माने से मिछर माने कौन जे एटलिस्ट गोटे दिन से स्कूल अनुपस्थित अच्छी देखा पड़ो सर को अटेंडेंस नहीं जिते बेले तुम्हें क्लेम करुच जे मु प्रत्येक दिन स्कूल आसुची तमे मिछ कहूच ता माने हमें कौन कहू चाहूँ जे एटलिस्ट गोटे दिन तुम्हें कॉलेज स्कूल आसी ना राइट प्रत्येक दिन आसुच तार नेगेशन आसबो एटलिस्ट वन डे यू आर रिमेनिंग एब्सेंट यू हैव रिमेन्ड एब्सेंट राइट सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन राइट द नेगेशन it is very simple to write the negation of a statement but we have to think a little bit before writing the negation right so that it will be clear right. So this is about negation of a statement and its representation. If a statement is represented by P, then its negation is represented by Daniel P, like this. So there is a very good relationship between the truth values of a statement and its negation. गोटे बढ़िया रिलेशनशिप अच्छी गोटे स्टेटमेंट आउ तार negation ऊपर right. Let us see which is called the law of negation. मु कहि बिगिनिंग रो एठु आरंभ होला लॉज बी सिंसियर law of negation. A statement and its negation have opposite truth values. Opposite truth values. What does it mean? Opposite? There are only two truth values. One is true and the other is false. One is true and the other is false. So opposite means true opposite false, false opposite true. Right? So suppose the statement is true, then its negation will be false. If the statement is false, then its negation will be true. It's table. Let us see. There is a very yes. We will take the help of टेबुल आम टेबुल साहाय्य नवा कहीं नवा ना बहुत बड़ा बड़ा कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्टेटमेंट रो ट्रुथ वैल्यू जाने पे हमको टेबुल साहाय्य नवा पड़ो which is known as truth table. Truth table. Right? Yes, we have taken one statement. So if there is one chance, suppose P is a statement, this truth value may be true, may be false. What is its negation? Its negation will be, you see, any statement and its negation have opposite truth values. If this is true, this will be false. ଯେତେବେଳେ statement ଟା true ହେଉଛି ତାର negation ଆସିବ false. ଯେତେବେଳେ statement ଟା false ଆସୁଛି ତାର negation ଆସିବ true. Right? So this is the truth table of a statement. Suppose P ହେଲା 2 is prime. Negation of P is 2 is not a prime. If this is true, এটা false আসছে। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ statement ନବା Q